Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFMK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay above $1.10. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.10, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view. So this assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.10 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward in this regard, as there is nothing very complicated behind it. I mean, on essentially 3 separate occasions, the price got right up around that $1.32 mark, and the price could never quite push through it. So $1.32 very clearly where the current sellers are hanging out at, and that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, anyway you look at the chart, great volume today. Like I said, great price action. Not just a question of can the bulls start to build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see, but it all starts with staying up above $1.10 and then potentially even breaking up above $1.32. But I don't want to make it seem like it's got to break above $1.32 on Wednesday. If it needs to consolidate a little bit more, as long as that consolidation is happening up at a higher level, then that is what it's all about, and that's how those healthy consolidations play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.